Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Swati and it's been a long time, right, since the last video came out. So here I am back with another video. So actually I have joined Microsoft as a software engineer and here are the goodies that we have got till now. So I'm really excited to open up these goodies and show you what's inside it. So actually this is the global onboarding goodies that we got from Microsoft, and these are some team specific goodies and the goodies from the different events that we got. So let's start with the unboxing of the global onboarding goodies first. So let's start with opening up this box. So I don't have a knife guys, that's why I'm using a scissor here. You know what? This goodie I got a week ago, but I was waiting for the weekends only to shoot this video.
One eternity later.
Haha, so let's open it up. Okay. So you can see there is a big black box here. It's Microsoft printed outside of it. And just open it up. Woo. So here we have a poster, you can see. So we have a couple of them, I guess. Let me see. So we have Nippon and Infinite. Wow, Age of Empires 4. Flight Simulator, Microsoft Flight Simulator. Forza Horizon 5. And this is nice. Minecraft. Nice cards by the way. Now let's go to the next item. Here we have a card. Okay, so this is a welcome card from the Microsoft. See, they are welcoming us to the Microsoft family. Thank you Microsoft for this. Okay. Wow, here we have a Xbox Game Pass. So this we can unlock with our Microsoft credentials. And then here we have a diary. This is the diary. Next we have a box here. Let's open it up. Okay, so saying I'm fluent in emoji. Let's see what's inside. Oh, so there are stickers here. There are multiple couple of stickers. See, colorful hearts. Next we have some more stickers, I guess. It's like saying express my feelings but make it word art. Again I think sticker, random access memory. So these are different cards and they are just let's see what kind of sticker it is. I'm fluent in emoji. Chai spiritual. Nice. Similarly, we have a couple more stickers here. Let's go to the next part. Here we have a bottle. It's a nice white bottle, quite colorful. You know, there are the values of the company. Always be curious, better together, joyous, one Microsoft, engineering excellence. It's really nice. I love this bottle by the way. This is also cool. You can use it. I think we have something here. Plantable pencils. Okay. So these are nature friendly pencils. You can see, you can use it up, and here we have seeds. Can you see? we have different kind of seeds here. You can plant it up. That's really nice, nature friendly. And what is this? Plantable pens. Okay. This is a pen, and there are seeds this side. Okay, so we are done with this box. Now move to the next part. Now let's see what's inside. Okay, this is a laptop sleeve. So cool. Okay, black from this side, and here we have a colorful theme, creating the future together. Next we have a bag. This is the bag we got from the bank house. So since I was an intern, I was waiting for the bag to come. During internship, we didn't got a bag. So this time I was really excited to get it. Here it turns out to be really nice. So this was the goodie from the global team, as I told you. And there comes this bag. This one we got from our team. So we had our meeting with the skip level managers, and she gifted us with this bag. And there are some other things inside, so let's just check. We have a Borosil bottle here. This is the bottle, you can see. And what's next? We have the diary and a pen. Wow. And here we have a pen. And then we have a t-shirt. Yeah, that's it. So this was the goodie from our internal team. So just 2 or 3 weeks after I joined Microsoft, there was an event called the Family Get Together event. Every Microsoft employee brought their families, kids to the event, and there also we got some goodies. So this is what we got. This is a Arctic Fox bag, and there were some events going on, so we participated in those games, and from there we got this mug. This was really nice. I liked it a lot, and it comes with a zipper. And to another event, there were many games going on. We got this cup. So many kids came that day, and there were multiple events, and one of them was the treasure hunt. So we participated in the treasure hunt as well, and after completing the quiz, we got this one. This is a cute award from Microsoft IDC. Bring family to your work. And some little goodies like these bands, and so this was another one. And you know what? Yesterday we had a event. It is regarding the hackathon. So as we are the new hires, they introduced us to the events, how it goes, how to participate in hackathons and all. So from there also we got some goodies. Let me show you. So this is what I got. This is a t-shirt, hackathon t-shirt. Microsoft in the back, and we got this bottle. So not everyone got this bottle. There was kind of some quiz and questionnaires going around in the event. So I answered that one, and yeah, I got it. And I really like this bottle a lot. This is pink in color, and this really looks so cool. Here we have the garage printed in it. This is the Like this is the division which conducts the hackathon in Microsoft. So yes guys, this is the whole bunch of goodies that we got from Microsoft, and I hope you like this video. If you ask me, I like this t-shirt a lot, and this bottle and this one. I like it a lot. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.